Are you ready to unlock the pathway to becoming a full-stack developer in 2023? This is the ultimate career choice for those craving exponential growth and a hefty six-figure salary. Get ready to handle end-to-end application development like a pro. I am thrilled to share with you the keys to one of the most successful job roles of the decade. Welcome, everyone. Organizations today are on the hunt for professionals who can handle entire projects from start to finish, and that is where full-stack developers shine. They possess a diverse skill set that adds immense value to any organization. These superheroes can handle different aspects of a project, save costs, and collaborate seamlessly with their team members. It's no wonder that the demand for full-stack developers is through the roof. But before we dive deeper into how to become a full-stack developer, go ahead and drop us a comment and let us know some of the technologies that you think full-stack developers need to know. Now, who exactly is a full-stack developer? Well, they are the masters of both the front end and the back end of a web application. These software wizards have the ability to design, build, and maintain complete web application stacks that are scalable, robust, and user-friendly. In simpler terms, they are the architects behind what you see and interact with in an application, as well as the invisible magic that happens behind the scenes. Talk about being the complete package. Now, let's go. These professionals is skyrocketing across industries. With front-end and back-end skills in your toolkit, you'll have the versatility to work on multiple aspects of a project and become an invaluable team player. Let's not forget about the money. Full-stack developers are reaping the benefits with impressive salaries. As of 2023, in the United States, the average base salary for a full-stack developer sits at a whopping $121,000. And the figures don't stop there. In London, it's 70,000 British pounds. In Canada, it's 97,000 Canadian dollars. In Australia, it's 240,000 Australian dollars. And in India, it's around 15 lakhs. But wait, there's more. Full-stack development is a field that is constantly evolving. With new technologies emerging, there is always an opportunity to learn and advance your career. Think about the exciting possibilities that AI and ChatGPT bring to the table. As a full-stack developer, you can be at the forefront of building AI-driven web products. And hey, I mean, if entrepreneurship is your calling, then full-stack development skills are your ticket to launching your own startup or creating your own web application. The freedom to work for yourself and potentially earn a higher income awaits. Now, to become a proficient full-stack developer, you'll need to possess a wide range of skills across multiple areas of software development. These include front-end technologies such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Angular, and Vue, to name a few. Back-end technologies such as Node.js, Python, Ruby on Rails, Django, and Express.js, among others. Databases. An understanding of databases like MySQL, MongoDB, and PostgreSQL, version control, APIs, and microservices. You must know version control tools and services like Git and GitHub, and how to design and build RESTful APIs and microservices. Testing. You should also be able to test your applications with end-to-end unit testing, functional testing, integration testing, and more. Web hosting services. You should also have experience in deploying, maintaining, and managing web applications in cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. While these are some of the essential technologies to master, please keep in mind that the full-stack developer's role is continuously evolving and new technologies are emerging all the time. So it is essential to be adaptable and to keep your skills up to date in the ever-changing tech landscape. Now, aside from technical skills, you'll also need top-notch problem solving, communication, and teamwork abilities. Collaboration with developers, designers, and stakeholders is crucial. You are not just a coding wizard, you are a team player, okay? So if you think that the road to mastering so many technologies will be challenging or unattainable, fear not. There are plenty of resources and educational routes that are gonna help you master these essential tools and become a full stack developer. Online self-paced courses, boot camps, and degree programs offered by reputable training institutes worldwide can provide you with the comprehensive full stack development package that you need. Take, for example, KnowledgeHut Upgrad's Full Stack Development Certificate Program. It is a rigorous 6-month program that will make you proficient in over 10 programming tools and technologies. Beyond formal courses, there is a wealth of books and tutorials as well as open source materials that are just waiting to be explored. Take advantage of these resources to enhance your learning journey and expand your knowledge. Now, let's talk about building a solid portfolio, the golden key to showcasing your skills and experience. As you gain proficiency and learn new technologies, start working on real-world projects and contribute to open source initiatives. These practical endeavors will not only sharpen your abilities, but they will also provide you with valuable experience that employers love. Don't forget to create a personal website highlighting your projects and experiences. And here's a pro tip: attend meetups and hackathons to network with fellow developers and seize the opportunity to present your projects proudly. It is a fantastic way to market yourself and open doors to exciting opportunities. Now, I know what you're thinking. How long is this journey gonna take? Well, becoming a proficient full stack developer can range anywhere from 6 months to 2 years, depending on your dedication, your commitment, and the time that you can devote to learning. All right, folks, it is time to land that dream job. While there are numerous full stack developer positions out there, the key to success lies in tailoring your resume and cover letter to each specific job application. Be prepared for technical interviews by studying frequently asked questions and practicing coding challenges. Showcase your technical prowess and articulate your experience with specific full stack technologies. Also, stay positive and stay persistent in your job search, continuously refining your skills and stay ahead of the game. And guess what? Anyone with a strong passion for programming and a thirst for learning can become a full stack developer. Even if you're already a software developer, engineer, analyst, or tech support professional, taking the leap into full stack development is the natural next step for you. So, to wrap it all up, becoming a full stack developer is an exhilarating journey that requires patience, dedication, and hard work. By following the right path and putting in the effort, you can become a skilled full stack developer and thrive in the fast-paced, rewarding world of web development. I hope that you found this video informative and inspiring. And of course, if you have any other career paths that you would like us to explore, please drop a comment below and let us know. Also, do not forget to subscribe for more engaging videos on the latest tech trends. Thanks so much, and best of luck on your journey to becoming a full stack developer.